guys, it's me, Lena, and look what I have a season 3 12 pack, and I got this from Target for $9.99, and they had so much Shopkins season 3, and I was so excited. So I got this from my aunt, and I'm gonna open it. So I have my new scissors that I got from my back to school, and we're gonna open it. So I'm gonna put the camera a little bit back. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna use my scissors now. Focus. This is the hardest part because it has this plastic stuff. It won't work. Shopkins. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out a little bit. And I put these baskets out so I could display new Shopkins that I got. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Paper. Okay. So, there it is. And right now, I'm going to open it. Take this out. Come out. It's like stuck. Come out. Oh no, I knocked them over. Stay. Okay. These are all the Shopkins that I got. Oh, so here is the special edition. I don't know her name. She's the scissors, the stationery, exclusive. So I'm gonna put her here. Right there. Next one, we got Hattie Hat. So look at this. Here, let me see. Ooh, there's Hattie Hat. I'll put her right here. Next one. Here's Humpty Dumpling. Put him here. We got wild carrot. Put him here. Got sushi, and I already have this one. Put that one there. Next one we have Chatter. Taylor Rain. Ah, sorry. In each video I make, I always knock over the camera. Put her there. I got Suzanne. Candy Apple. This one took her out. And we also got Queen of Tarts. I can't really focus. Focus. Oh well. Now for the exciting part. So it comes with 3 of these season 3 baskets. I'll put them here. This is what they look like. 4 of those, and time for the blind baskets. Okay, so let's see who we got. Hopefully no duplicates. First one. We got Wendy Wencake in white, and I've been wanting this one for so long. So we got her. I'll put her here. The next one we got is, oh, I think I know which one this is. Oh no, this is chocolate frosted cookies and I don't know her name, but this is a basket. Glittery pink and blue. I'll put one here. So I'm gonna put this here. So that's everything that I got for today. So I got some of these shopkins. Okay. So I did get a few duplicates. I got, this is one of my duplicates. and also this with the kits. But I'm gonna trade them with Susie, and yay! Oh, I'll put them in here. So I'm gonna show you all the ones that you can get in the back. Whoa. Here's some of the limited edition bakery, hats, shoes, international food, stationery, fruit and veg, cute treats, and homework. And I really want the phone that they have right there. Okay, so bye.